Hello everyone. Today we are documenting the complete on-site installation process of a standard stainless steel air shower room. An air shower is an essential purification equipment for clean rooms and dust-free workshops. It uses high viscosity filtered air to remove dust particles from personnel and materials, preventing contamination from entering the clean area. This air shower features durable stainless steel construction. In this video, we will walk you through every step from delivery to final commissioning. Both use normal speed footage for details and time-lapse for the progress.
Fix the backboard with heavy-duty industrial adhesive and nail gun. Once the air shower unit is roughly positioned and leveled, we move on to securely fixing the side panels and base plates. This step is crucial for long-term stability and to prevent any vibration or movement during operation. First, we align the side panels with the main frame. Using stainless steel self-tapping screws, we fasten them at multiple points. Typically, every 200 to 300 millimeters along the edges. We start from the bottom and work our way up to ensure even pressure and avoid panel distortion. For the base plates, we use expansion bolts or heavy-duty anchor bolts to firmly secure it to the concrete floor. We drill holes according to the pre-marked positions, insert the expansion bolts, and tighten them gradually in a diagonal pattern. This cross-tightening method helps distribute the force evenly and keeps the entire unit perfectly level. After fixing all panels and the base, we double-check the level again and test for any gaps or looseness. A stable and well-secured air shower ensures smooth door operation and reliable performance for years to come. Here is some installation tips. 1. Ensure the unit is perfectly level. 2. Seal all gaps completely to prevent air leakage. 3. Follow exact voltage specifications for wiring. 4. Test door, interlock, and blow function thoroughly.
And that's it. The air shower room installation is complete. It will now effectively protect the quality of your clean room. The most important points during installations are perfect labeling, alright sealing, and electronic safety. If you are planning a clean room project or have questions about air shower installation or maintenance, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and turn on notifications. We will continue sharing more practical factory equipment installation and maintenance videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.